Welcome to this quick demo of Quick Learn, an intuitive mobile learning platform designed using Flutter and powered by Firebase. Whether you're an educator or a business looking to provide online courses, Quick Learn is the perfect solution. Quick Learn offers a sleek and user-friendly mobile app interface. Upon logging in, students are greeted with a beautifully organized homepage showcasing their courses, progress, and upcoming lessons. The design is fully optimized for a smooth user experience. Students can easily browse through a wide range of courses, filter by categories, and view detailed information such as course objectives, duration, and instructor details. Enrollment is simple with just a tap, making it easy for anyone to start learning. Once enrolled, students can access high-quality course materials, including videos, quizzes, assignments, and other resources. With interactive learning, students can track their progress and stay motivated throughout their course journey. Behind the scenes, Quick Learn is powered by Firebase, which allows you to manage your users' courses and content seamlessly. Firebase's real-time database ensures that updates to courses or user progress are instantly reflected in the app. Admins and instructors have full control over course management. They can add new courses, upload lessons, create quizzes, and monitor student progress, all through an easy-to-use admin panel. Stay connected with push notifications for reminders, new course releases, and live sessions. Communication between instructors and students is also facilitated through the app, allowing for direct messaging. Quick Learn makes building your online learning platform easy, fast, and powerful. Whether you're creating a course library or delivering interactive learning experiences, this app has it all. Thanks for watching. Happy teaching and learning.